Today makeup is gonna be simple. So it's Sunday. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. So I'm gonna try to use um something simple enough. Something we're gonna go and hang out with friends. Eating this pork candy with yogurt. Bye. Interesting. I already have a primer on. A new primer from Julie. I like the foundation. I'll show you Super Stay Couche foundation number 110. This is my color. It's about to shake it up. It's drippy but not too watery. I'm gonna use my hand to apply it on my skin first. Thin layer. See, with using your finger to apply a thin layer, it's gonna be spread out super even on your face. This side too. Okay, this is the first layer. We're gonna apply a second layer to the spot that you feel like you need more coverage, because this foundation is super thin. And then if you need to layer more, you can build on it. A little bit on the nose. And I don't even use all of them. So now you see my face kind of like all even, except I feel like it need a little bit more. It's not as even on my cheek, so I'm gonna blend it out more. Use my favorite, the same. This is a brightening concealer. It's not a regular concealer, so I'm gonna brighten up my face. Like under eye. I really nose. You see the difference yet? Then I'm gonna use loose powder to set my face. My favorite. I'm gonna set a little bit. This contour palette from Judy. This one is the 05, the color. So I'm gonna use this big brush for my face contour. Color brush. palette to apply. Use this one for a highlighter. It's kind of like a pinkish, super light pink highlight. It's a matte highlight. Same color. I would say I would prefer the other palette because the other highlight is nicer, but I wouldn't mind using this. And then I think you can use this little corner to as a base for your eyeshadow too. Okay, this one is not bad. The color is kind of I don't really like it that much, but I don't hate it either. Next is gonna be the eye. Oh, that's eyeshadow palette from Dry Bouquet 3CE. 3CE again for my blush, and my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna choose this light pink, and then start apply into my face, my cheek area. Super light-handed. And then use a lighter color to blend it out. And eyes. Choose a darker shade, a darker red on my eyelid. And just blend it out. Brush to draw my eyeliner using the darker. Shadow eyebrow too. Mhm. Eyebrows done. Now doing. I'm gonna wear my lens and 4 lashes. I'll be back. Okay, the lashes are done. The color I'm gonna show. Mm-hmm. Now setting my makeup before I apply my lipstick. Almost done. What lipstick should I wear today? 3C Cashmere Hug Lipstick. Makeup is done. Now I'm gonna do my hair and then I'll be ready to go.